And I was always pretty fine on it. And I did that alone. It's actually kind of stupid.
It is kind of not a good idea. I'm not saying you couldn't survive. You probably would, but you could get hurt real bad.
I mean, I had a firearm, but...
Okay. Well, you're not actually allowed to shoot them, are you?
I think in one of those case scenarios, yes.
Okay.
If it's you know, you're not allowed to sit in a tree stand and hunt.
And hunt for them, but if they attack you, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, see the blazes right there?
Yeah.
That's a Buckeye Trail.
I wonder how many people have done that in its entirety.
About how many people have done the Buckeye Trail in its entirety, Ansel? Less than 100?
I think like 12 people have actually through hiked it.
I think if you hold it in, it's right.
You're awesome, thanks.
Mine starts off right and hold it in.
And it gets
To
lower.
dimmer. What up?
My Garmin's on my wrist, so it'll track the height correctly. But if
Now, does yours track the trail, or does it just...
No, it just tells you where you went. It's GPS.
Oh, okay. Because, but does it trace? But does the GPS like trace it for you?
Yep, traces it, saves it, which is nice
That is nice.
because it gets all the off the trail that we do. Actually, I'm gonna walk left here. There we go.
We were playing capture flag in the dark one time. Sasquatch calling now?
Hey? Yep.
Walk this way. No, this way.
West Nile, potentially ant lines. There's a lot of cool stuff in West Virginia. It's not quite as well advertised and well known.
It's called Horseshoe. There's a good snow skiers down there too.